actor and singer. Zian Lim, welcome to Hot Coffee. Zian. My God, you're everything. And you know, I want to tell the audience, you are extremely tall. You are very tall. Can you stand up just to show them that I can just sit? You are really tall. How tall are you?
6'2".
You could have been a basketball player.
Actually, that was the plan.
Okay.
That's why I moved here from the States.
Okay.
I wanted to play basketball, but you and I got into show business, into acting, and para sa akin, parang dito ako dito ko nahanap yung puso ko eh.
Now, you were in the States for how long? Because you were studying college there.
Yes.
Okay.
More than 10 years. I went to high school, middle school, college. Doon na talaga lahat. Then we decided to just visit the Philippines yung 2009.
And then when you visited?
Ang saya dito eh. Dito talaga yung parang ayoko na bumalik. Ito na talaga. I want to stay here for good.
And how were you discovered? One of your first breaks is 14. But were you spotted walking in the street? I mean, I can imagine if you were in New York, you could be spotted like tomorrow.
Hindi, marami nagtatanong sa akin yan eh. Pero nung dapat nababalik na ako from going to the States, na-meet ko nga ayun siya ngayon, stylist ko. Na-meet ko si Ton Lau, photographer, /stylist, / lahat na. Ayun, he introduced me to Star Magic. Kasi I wanted to take pictures lang sa studio niya. And sabi niya, kung gusto mo mag-artista, pakilala kita sa mga Star Magic people. So,
and that was it?
Yes.
Okay, did you take acting lessons?
Oo naman. Parang mandatory yun. It's Star Magic na magbibigay ka agad ng workshops. So, I took the workshops. And after that, ayun, thankfully, dire-diretso na pagkatapos nun.
But you're 24 years old, and I was very surprised. You have 1.6 million Twitter followers.
Wow.
I did my research, and like
300... Mag 1.7.
And I think 350,000 Instagram followers already.
Yeah. Well, thankful naman ako sa social media dahil dun nakikita ko yung support nila from the start pa lang. I remember I started that about 2 years ago, and sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Doon lang pwede makipagkulitan, and yun, thankful ako sa mga followers ko dahil nandyan sila, and mas lalo na ngayon usong-uso yung mga bashers, di ba?
Yeah.
Meron
Are you bashed?
Oo naman.
Ano binabash sa'yo? Ang gwapo mo.
Siyempre, may masabi. May
Tulad
masabi
lang.
lang.
Ba't mo inaway si Enchong D?
Uy, wala namang gano'n. Wala namang gano'n.
Walang ganon.
Walang ganon.
Ba't kayo nag-away? Nag-away ba kayo?
Hindi. Saan nagaling yun?
Alam mo naman ako, I read everything.
Siyempre may mga made-up stories, ganon. But siyempre, it's, we just have to go with the flow, and, di ba? Yun nga, that's an example.
But you're both guys. I mean, men tend to have an ego. They're in one set.
Yeah, and ang tagal na rin namin magkasama sa
Inakapatid,
nung show namin. But what was aired sa news, and it was just parang blown into proportion. So parang,
out of proportion.
Oo, parang, ano ba? Parang wala naman yun. Parang, pare, ganun lang naman yun. Tapos, ginawa nila ng story. So I guess it's a way of making news na rin, di ba?
Yeah. Pero yung kayo ni Kim Chiu, totoo.
I think, yung movie na
Okay, but are you seeing each other? I mean, Kim Chiu is a very beautiful girl.
Oo naman, of course.
Sweet, beautiful, may I add, model thin.
Oo, kahit sino namang lalaki makita si Kim Chiu, mabibighani naman talaga sila kay Kim.
Ang galing mo naman magtagalog. Ang galing nag-US ka.
Yeah. Sa bahay, Tagalog naman kami pala.
Wait, so you're not seeing Kim Chiu?
I see her every day.
You're good. No, are you together?
No, lagi namin sinasabi yan sa mga interviews na we love our job. We will always prioritize work first. And di ba, if it happens, it happens.
But do you love her?
Talagang nandito tayo sa love. Siyempre, halos 2 years na rin kami everyday nakikita from My Beyond the Girl. That's my first soap was with her nung My Only Hope. That was my first soap. Na ano pa lang ako, passersby lang ako na, camera,
parang ano ka lang na.
Yeah, photographer lang ako na parang mga 2 seconds exposure, gano'n. And people ask, kamusta ba? How's lumilevel up ba yung friendship nyo? Does it get any deeper? Sabi ko, of course, kasi kung 2 years mo kasama.
But do you call each other sweetheart?
Wala pa naman gano'n.
Walang
Wala
gano'n.
pa naman gano'n.
Sweetie pie?
Wala.
Walang gano'n?
Tawag sa akin, si.
Okay, ikaw naman, KK.
Hindi, Kim.
Okay, all right. Now, what many people may not know is that you play all instruments.
Hindi naman all.
Okay, but you play what? How many? I know you play the piano.
Yeah.
The drums?
The guitar, and
Ano to, Guido?
Yes.
Oh my
yung
God.
piano, I was taught by my mom sa,
Oo.
she's a piano teacher kasi in the States. She used to teach piano there.
Okay. My sister also teaches piano, but...
And syempre, bilang mami, anak, mag-aral ka
No, but it
piano.
means you have genuine talent. Alam mo yung Guido?
Sana.
No, ang Guido, hindi mo siya pwedeng inventuhin. So yung guitar mo is self-taught.
Yeah, self-taught.
Okay. All right. Now, what the other shows don't have is Ian Lin playing the guitar. Did you play the guitar kanina?
No.
Okay. All right. Where is the guitar? Okay, we're gonna have you play the guitar after the break.
Okay.
Okay, so you are self-taught. Now, how long would you want to stay in showbiz?
Syempre naman, a very long time.
Like a serious career?
Yes, ang masasabi ko hanggat kaya, gusto ko nandito pa rin ako for the longest time. Yeah.
And your parents support you on this?
Oh yeah.
But you know, showbiz can be unstable.
Yeah, it can be unstable, it can be very cruel, but syempre, ano yun, dapat tanggapin na yun eh. Parang, nung pinasok ko to, parang nasa isip ko, I'm ready for it.
Who is your role model?
Doon na ako sa extreme, syempre, tinitingala ko yung mga taga-Hollywood. Gusto ko parang yun talagang, syempre, I think it's everyone, I think lahat naman tayo, kami mga local actors, talagang gusto at one point na maka-reach ng ganung level.
Like
international. Who? Siguro, like Johnny Depp.
I agree.
Sina Brad Pitt, sina Leonardo DiCaprio, yung mga ganun na malalalim talaga eh. Yeah. Even their roles.
Yeah. Now, what's very interesting is itong movie nyo na but di ka crush ng crush mo.
Yes.
Na problema ng napakaraming babae. By the way.
Oo, tama.
Okay. This is part of the 20-year anniversary of Star Cinema.
Yes.
And this is your first team up with Kim Chiu on the big screen. And I can imagine the pressure.
Ay, grabe. Oo.
To be part of the 20-year anniversary.
Yes. Yung movie pa lang with Star Cinema, medyo, nung narinig ko, parang, wow!
And lead star.
Yeah, it's, yung ganun pa lang eh. It's, parang, wow, grabe tong load na to. Pero, tinanggap ko and ito, we gave it our best. We gave it our best shot. Talaga, yung puso ko nilagay ko na talaga dito sa movie. Yung puso ko.
So do you have a kissing scene with Kim?
Malalaman natin yan sa movie.
Is it a surprise? Okay,
Malalaman.
This is a clip from the movie. Okay, then I'm gonna ask you about this clip. Look at this clip.
Ano mga mata?
Hoy, Santeng! Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Bakit nga ba hindi ka crush ng crush mo? Number 1, kunot ka. 2,